The open road, endless possibilities. A journey that's just as exciting as the destination. A road trip isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the adventure, the unexpected detours, and the unforgettable moments along the way. But without the right planning, it can quickly turn into a stressful mess. So, are you ready to hit the road? So watch this video on how to plan the ultimate road trip. But before we start, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Let's start from number 10. Define your road trip vision. What kind of road trip are you dreaming of? Are you imagining long coastal drives where the ocean breeze plays with your hair, or do you see yourself winding through mountainous trails with nature embracing you from all sides? Defining your vision is where it all begins. Think about what excites you. Is it chasing sunsets on the open highway, exploring quirky roadside attractions, or indulging in local food? Maybe it's a combination of all three. Narrow down your dream destinations and decide if you're more into scenic routes like California's iconic Pacific Coast Highway or more adventurous ones like the historic Route 66. Once you know what you want, everything else falls into place. And don't forget to consider how much time you have. If it's just a weekend, you might want to stick to nearby locations. But if you're lucky enough to have a week or more, the possibilities expand dramatically. Number 9. Research and map your route. Planning your route is like sketching the outline of your adventure. The question is, how detailed do you want to get? Some travelers prefer to meticulously map every stop, while others like to leave room for spontaneity. Start by diving into travel blogs and road trip forums to discover must-visit attractions along your chosen path. Are there breathtaking viewpoints you can't miss? How about charming small towns with stories to tell? Mark those places down. But here's the twist. Leave some room in your schedule for unexpected detours. You never know when a random roadside cafe or a hidden hiking trail might call out to you. Also, keep an eye on road conditions and seasonal weather. The last thing you want is to plan a mountain route only to find it closed due to snow. Number 8. Set a realistic budget. Let's talk about money. No matter how grand your plans are, your budget will shape the experience. But here's the good news, with a little planning, you can make the most of your road trip without overspending. Start by estimating your major expenses like fuel. Apps that show the cheapest gas stations along your route can save you a surprising amount. Accommodations are another big chunk. Decide if you're more into cozy motels, scenic campgrounds, or quirky elms. And then there's food. Packing snacks can help you cut costs, but don't miss out on trying local delicacies. That little diner by the roadside, it might just serve the best pancakes you've ever had. Number 7. Prepare your vehicle. Now, let's address the star of the show, your car. Is it ready to handle the open road? Taking care of your vehicle before you leave is non-negotiable if you want a smooth trip. First, schedule a thorough checkup with your mechanic. Make sure the tires, brakes, oil, and battery are in top condition. Then think about the little things that can make a big difference. An emergency kit with a spare tire, jumper cables, and a flashlight can save the day. It's also a good idea to pack a first aid kit, just in case. If you're renting a car, choose one that suits your trip. A hybrid is perfect for saving on gas during long highway drives, while an SUV or 4x4 is ideal for rugged terrains. Number 6. Pack smart and strategically. Packing can feel overwhelming, can't it? What do you bring to stay prepared without overloading your car? The key is to keep it simple and purposeful. Think about the weather and pack layers that you can mix and match. Quick-drying, lightweight clothes are a lifesaver for outdoor adventures. Don't forget essentials like reusable water bottles, snacks, toiletries, and any medications you might need. And let's not overlook entertainment. Curate a playlist, download podcasts, or bring along your favorite books for those long stretches on the road. Travel tech is also a must. A phone charger, power bank, and maybe even a portable Wi-Fi hotspot can make all the difference when you're far from civilization. Number 5. Plan your accommodations. Where are you going to rest your head after a long day of driving? Finding the right accommodations is all about balancing comfort and convenience. If you're someone who loves structure, booking hotels or motels in advance can ease a lot of stress. But if you're more of a free spirit, leaving room for spontaneous stops can add a sense of adventure. Imagine finding a rustic cabin tucked away in the woods or a cozy bed and breakfast in a charming small town. For those who love the great outdoors, camping is a fantastic option. Just make sure to check campground availability in advance, especially during peak seasons. Number 4. Embrace technology and navigation tools. Can technology really make or break your road trip? In today's world, it just might. The right tools can turn potential hiccups into smooth sailing. Start with navigation. Apps like Google Maps or Waze are your best friends for real-time updates and alternative routes. Beyond that, there are apps designed to enhance your experience. Platforms like TripAdvisor can point you to hidden gems along your route, while Spotify and Audible ensure you're never bored, no matter how long the drive. Even cars equipped with built-in navigation and entertainment systems can elevate the experience. If you're renting, it's worth considering an upgrade. Number 3. Stay safe and flexible. Safety and flexibility go hand in hand on a road trip. The question is, how do you strike the right balance? Start by taking breaks. Long hours behind the wheel can be exhausting, so stop every couple of hours to stretch your legs and recharge. If you're traveling with others, share the driving responsibilities. It keeps everyone fresh and engaged. And remember, things don't always go as planned. Road closures, unexpected weather, or even getting a little lost can happen. Instead of stressing, see these moments as part of the adventure. Sometimes a detour leads to the best stories. Number 2. Capture and share your memories. What's a road trip if you can't look back and relive it? Capturing your memories is as important as creating them. Bring along a camera or simply use your smartphone to snap pictures of breathtaking landscapes, quirky roadside attractions, and candid moments with your travel companions. Writing a travel journal is another wonderful way to document your experiences. It doesn't have to be fancy, just jot down the highlights of each day. If you love sharing your journey, social media is the perfect outlet. Posting updates, photos, or even short videos not only lets your friends and family follow along, but also inspires others to embark on their own adventures. Number 1. Savor the journey. Finally, the most important part of any road trip, savoring the journey. It's easy to get caught up in reaching the next destination, but the real magic happens along the way. Embrace the unexpected. Whether it's stumbling upon a hidden trail or having a heartwarming conversation with a stranger, these are the moments that make your trip unique. Use this time to connect with your travel companions, whether it's deep conversations, shared laughter, or simply enjoying each other's company in comfortable silence. Above all, let the road remind you to slow down and appreciate the simple joys of life. Every mile is a memory in the making. So, what do you think? Are you ready to plan your next epic road trip? There's something magical about the freedom of the open road, the excitement of discovering new places, and the connections you make along the way. Which part of this video inspired you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Let's make 2025 the year of unforgettable adventures.